The adrenal glands are the pyramid-shaped glands located on the superior aspect of the kidneys. Internally, the glands have two functional regions that produce and secrete different hormones. Anatomically, these regions are quite different as well. The adrenal cortex is the superficial region of the adrenal gland and is composed primarily of gland tissue and capillaries. The adrenal medulla is located deep within the adrenal gland and is composed of nervous system tissue. Further examining the adrenal cortex, we find that it is subdivided into three regions called the zones, each of which produces and secretes a different steroid hormone. The zona glomerulosa is the most superficial region of the adrenal cortex, followed by the zona fasciculata, which is located in the middle of the cortex, and the zona reticularis, which is the deepest region of the cortex. Figure 17.17 examines the adrenal cortex and the adrenal medulla. The cortex consists of gland tissue and is composed of three layers: the zona glomerulosa, located superficially. Moving deeper, we encounter the zona fasciculata and then the zona reticularis. The deepest aspect of the gland is the adrenal medulla. The layers of the adrenal cortex all produce different steroid hormones. The zona glomerulosa produces steroids that control mineral and electrolyte balance within the body's fluids. The hormones they produce and secrete are collectively called the mineralocorticoids. The zona fasciculata produces steroid hormones collectively called the glucocorticoids, as they are responsible for controlling glucose metabolism during stress responses and also aid in resistance to stressors such as fasting or starvation. The zona reticularis produces steroid sex hormones called the gonatocorticoids, which have the same functions as the steroid sex hormones that are produced by the gonads, that is collectively the ovaries and the testes. The adrenal medulla is composed of nervous system tissue, mainly modified neurons that are called the chromaffin cells. These are stimulated by the hypothalamus during short-term stress responses, such as immediate danger or threatening situations. The chromaffin cells will then secrete epinephrine and norepinephrine directly into the bloodstream. These compounds are collectively part of a group of chemicals called the catecholamines and function as hormones when they are secreted into the bloodstream.